The MedSafety app has been developed by the UK Medicines and Healthcare Products Regulatory Agency as part of the Innovative Medicines Initiative's WebRadar project. The app has been made available to selected regions in collaboration with the World Health Organization, the Uppsala Monitoring Centre, and the National Medicines Regulatory Authority. The MedSafety app allows users to track safety information about medicines and vaccines, report suspected side effects, and view global data of suspected side effects. The MedSafety app can be downloaded from the App Store in iOS and the Google Play Store on Android. When opening the app for the first time, the user must select their region. If the app is available in multiple languages, the user is asked to select the language. The user is then taken to the login page. Here, they can create an account or proceed as a guest. To create an account, a user is required to provide their reporter type, for example, physician or pharmacist, as well as their name and email address. The user must also set up a password. This must be at least 9 characters, with at least 1 uppercase letter and 1 number. The user may then view the privacy statement and must confirm their understanding of the country's privacy statement. Once logged in, or as a guest, the user is presented with a number of different tabs along the bottom. These include News, Products, Watch List, and Report. Under the Report tab, a user can create a new report of a suspected adverse drug reaction. On opening a new report, the user is asked to enter patient details such as patient sex, patient date of birth, and patient initials. Only fields with an asterisk are mandatory to complete. Next, the user is required to enter details of the suspect medicine. This includes suspect medicine name, where the user can type in and select a medicine or vaccine from the list provided by the regulatory authority, or can enter a medicine name as free text form. The user can then enter additional details about the medicine if available, such as dosage, indication for use, and start and stop dates. Multiple suspect drugs can be added. The user can also add details of any other medication. At any time, the user can save the report to complete at a later time. Save reports can be found under Pending Reports and can be continued with by clicking into the report and proceeding through already completed sections. Continuing with the report, the user is required to enter details about the suspect reaction. Here, the user can select from free text or select from a list. The user can also enter reaction dates if known and the reaction outcome, for example, if the patient has recovered from the reaction experienced. Multiple suspect reactions can also be added. The user is then asked further details about the report, such as whether the reaction led to hospitalization or was considered medically important, as well as additional details about the incident. Finally, the user can add details of any relevant medical history before submitting the report. A report can be saved at any time to be completed later. Upon submission, the user receives a message in the app confirming submission and an email acknowledgement of their submission. Registered users can view sent reports within Sent Reports. Reports can also be created and saved without internet connection to submit later when connectivity becomes available. Moving on, the Products tab displays all medicines and vaccines in the National Regulatory Authority's database. Users can navigate to a particular medicine or vaccine of interest and view global data related to that vaccine. This data is presented from the World Health Organization's Uppsala Monitoring Centre database of adverse drug reaction reports. The graphs can be presented by reaction type, gender, age, continence, and year. Users can add products of interest to their watch list to better track safety information specific to that product. All products added to the watch list can be viewed in the Watch List tab. Next, the News tab displays drug safety information published by the National Regulatory Authority. News articles can be viewed in the app, and this allows users to stay up to date with important safety information. Any news articles related to a watchlist product can be viewed separately in the watchlist news. Finally, users can select more and read more about the app or change languages. Registered users can also amend their profile and change app settings. We thank you in advance for using the MedSafety app and for your important contribution to medicines and vaccine safety.